So you've got a successful propagation. You've got the roots. What's next? Let's transplant your cuttings. You can keep your propagated plants or rooted cuttings in water, but your plants aren't going to grow as much or as fast, especially since the water you have doesn't have any nutrients. So if you want your plants to grow more and be happier, then it's better if you transplant your cuttings or your rooted cuttings in some soil. This is a houseplant soil mix that I bought from Daiso. You can mix your own, create your own soil mix. But for me, this is just my preference because it's easier. Especially if you're a beginner, then I suggest just buy the ready-made mix. Now let's put some soil in the pot. So now let's get the rooted cuttings that I have here. You can see these are the roots and they're long. You can start transplanting your rooted cuttings in soil when the roots are around 1 to 2 inches. But I just didn't have time to do this, so the roots have grown so long. So let me just see what this looks like when I put it here in the pot. The height is good. Then I'm going to add my other rooted cuttings here. Look at the roots of this one. So long. Let me just lay them all out here. So the shorter ones, the leaves, will be at the side. And the longer ones like this will be at the center. So now I'm gonna add more soil and just make sure everything is secure. Give it a little tap. Make sure there are no air pockets. Put more soil here. Make sure all the roots are in the soil. Dadang! Now we have this new plant or free plant from our propagation. And just one thing that I will note or remember is that I will make sure that the soil is moist because the new roots are used to the water environment. So now that I transplanted this one, it's going to be under stress, especially of the change in environment. So to help the plant, I'll keep the soil moist and also put this one in the same location where I had it when it was still propagating. So I'll just make sure that all the other factors are the same and I'll keep the soil moist. Maybe for a few weeks and then gradually I'll just take care of this plant in the usual way. And then I'll just water when the soil is dry. That's it for today's video. If you want to watch more plant videos, then click any of the videos on the screen. I hope you're falling in love with foliage and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!